Hello and good morning, dear friends. I hope you all are doing good. We have come with the Hindu vocabs today, which we are going to discuss in the editorial. The first one is well off, and the synonyms are wealthy, abundant, affluent, bright, fertile, and fruitful. The second is evolve, and the synonyms are elaborate, expand, grow, mature, and progress. The third we have prohibited, and the synonyms are banned, forbidden, illegal, proscribed, and restricted. The next one consequence, and the synonyms are effect, conclusion, outcome, and result. The last we have shortage, and the synonyms are dearth, deficiency, deficit, lack, poverty, scarcity, and shortfall. So note it down for the future, and let's check the answer of previous question. The first question we had, how much liquidity support is provided to NBFCs by RBI is 50,000 crore. And the second is, how much basis point cut in reverse repo rate by RBI, and the answer is 25 basis point. The last we had, the synonyms of pig is hook. Now importance of the day is UN Chinese Language Day is celebrated on 20 April. Now the term for GK, Council of Scientific and Industry Research, founded on 26 September in 1942. WHO was founded on April 7 in 1948, and the headquarters is in Geneva, that means Switzerland. Supreme Court of India came into existence on 26 January 1950. Now let's check today's quiz. And the first question we have synonyms of consequences. You have to give the answer. And second is antonyms of well off. You have to be careful. We have asked antonym here. And third is WHO found in which year. The fourth one, UK Prime Minister is. Before starting the discussion, let's check situation of India. So there are around 70,000 confirmed cases in India, and the total deaths is around 550. Although around 2,000 people were recovered from this pandemic. There is no doubt that lockdown has protected many lives, but if we talk about those who face hunger, homelessness, or poor health, in this way lockdown shows its negative point or result. The numbers of deaths in all over the world reaches 1,60,000. Around 2.3 million declared cases have been registered in 193 countries and territories. Preventing food shortages is a high priority for South Asia. This is said by the World Bank chief economist Mr. Hans Trimmer. Ministry of Home Affairs clarified that supply of non-essential goods. Non-essential goods means the goods which are not related to grains or agriculture by e-commerce companies will remain prohibited. US President Mr. Donald Trump has warned China of the consequences if China found responsible for COVID-19. The president underlined that there was a big difference between mistake that got out of control or something done deliberately. Central government has directed airlines to stop advance booking for travel from May 4th. If we talk about airlines, it comes under Civil and Aviation Ministry, and the executive chief is Mr. Hardeep Singh. Insurance company have come up with a simple health policy for the first time. They introduce Arogya Sanjeevani is a revolutionary move, and it will give access quality and world class healthcare services to everyone at highly affordable prices. These are the prices of the respective insurance for adults and child. President Mr. Boris Johnson has begun taking charge of the government after hospitalization. Talking about UK, let's check UK in the map compared to India. Turkmenistan is the country where a single case of coronavirus is not found, so that Turkmenistan football season will start with crowds. You can see